Well, good evening bike fans, welcome to DMT. So this is the second Wednesday of May. From April, Triumph are having bike nights. I didn't go to the first one, absolutely yacked it down. It's 22 degrees, blue sky, a few mischievous clouds lurking, and it's the perfect scenario for a bike night at the Triumph Museum. Yeah, I don't know what sort of crowd's going to turn up, whether it's the bike night's fully got underway now and all the local bikers are going. We'll just have to see what it's like when they get there. So I'll shut off, then I'll turn on again just before I get to the Triumph factory. I've got absolutely no idea how many is going to be here. I mean, obviously Triumph is Triumph. It's a big motorcycle manufacturer, and there's the big building there, and there's a queue to get in. Well, that's good, isn't it? Good for a bit of a social, bit of a natter, and it's free to come. It's not tickets, so you wouldn't expect Triumph to say you have tickets to come. But look at that. That is, I was not expecting that. 5 o'clock. Well, most of day today actually. These are RD 350s in front of me, 2 strokes. I think they need to open up the overflow car park because I cannot see any spaces. Yeah, I reckon they're going to be turning this round. Yeah, okay, it's an overflow car park. Yeah.
Oh, that's a Honda Rebel.
It's a Honda Rebel.
Someone saw it today and thought it was a 125.
No way. I mean, it's low to, I mean, what's the seat height? It looks really low to the ground.
It's very low. I don't know the seat height. I've had it for 3 years.
It looks like half a metre.
Trust me.
Look at this Morris Minor, look. Well, that's in mint condition. The overflow car park's filling up, so they might need an overflow car park. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just give you an idea how many bikes there are. I'm going to film the bikes, and then I'll speed it up, sort of ×2 or ×3, so you get an idea. And once I've done that, I'm going to have a walk around and have a proper look at the bikes. But let me show you the bikes coming in. So they're all parking up there. Just start recording these bikes. Let's see how many there are. See if you can count them. Is that yours?
It's not, no.
Oh.
I wish.
Yours, yeah. Just thought about just about to jump on it and zip off. I bet you wish you could. Look at the dropped handlebars. They're beautiful.
Nice, that is.
Very nice. It's like a special edition, isn't it? Right, so we'll start from the inside and work our way in. Nearly at the end. Oh, I can speak now because the music stopped. I won't get a copyright strike. Do like those CCMs, very nice. I'm counting all the bikes. Another rocket. Yes, nice. Another rocket. And I have just got interrupted walking around these bikes. A kind gentleman started talking to me, so I had to switch the camera off, and I've literally just had a chat with him for about 20 minutes. So I think the light is deteriorating since I started filming. The sun is at the top there on the hill, but look at this. And we're not at the end yet. Still got this, the left side of this car park to do, and then that'll be it. 750 Augusta. I know that because he just said it. Right, so we've got 3 more rows to go. Not missing out on the RD. It's immaculate, it's mint, that does. Yeah, I think next time, guys, I need to come on the Gixxer 1400 because I've not seen one of those here. I've got every different make and model you can think of, but I've not seen a Gixxer 1400. I know they're getting a few and far between. That's nice. I keep repeating myself. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, so I think I'm going to come on the Gixxer next time. We've got 2-3 more rows to go. Back 2. That's the one that my brother had. And he went to do a U-turn and he dropped it and broke his clavicle, his collarbone.
I've got one.
Have you? Oh, there you go then. Yeah, that Quack 250, my brother had one of those. He did a U-turn, about 3 miles an hour, and he came off, broke his collarbone. 2 more rows to go. That's nice. Every so often I keep stopping and there's one that grabs my eye. And you can usually see a few people gathered behind or around the bike. It's because it's probably a little bit exceptional. Have you changed your mind?
It's too many.
If you had to pick one, which would you pick right now?
RS over there.
You like that one? Was that the one I seen you when you were looking at it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. There's a few nice ones here. I only thought there'd be a few here tonight, but there's thousands.
I think it's the weather.
Definitely.
It's bringing everyone
Yeah.
out.
French weather.
Yeah. Bad time.
Yeah.
We are going to give prizes.
She just says they're going to give prizes for the best big engined bike. Well, that's going to be the Rocket, surely. That's a bit biased towards the Rocket. And I have to show you the Rocket that's outside the front entrance to Triumph. So it's got a special paint job. Looks like Lumo from here. I can't really tell, but I'll go over there in a minute and we'll have a look at it. Well, we've just come into the last few bikes. Well, that's it, guys. We're coming towards the end. There's a few more turned up since I started recording the front of the queue. Look, that's where it started up there. And they're still coming in. It is absolutely rammed. Right, let's go and have a look at the special edition Rocket at the front. It's a bit of a queue for the Canteen for the 1902 CAF. 1902 when Triumph started being built. And I reckon they're going to run out, so I might grab something now. Because you don't really want me to promote this tonight and have another 2,000-3,000 turn up next. I'm waiting for you to do something, follow the wheelie or something. See you, bud. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, press the thumb button, subscribe and bell notification for future videos. Take care for now, ride safe. See you soon. Bye bye for now.